cooking.
Ayan, so guys, I'm going to cook pinatisang manok with these chicken legs. I'm going to put some potato and moringa. So first, I'm going to boil this one before I saute it with tomatoes and garlic with onion. So let's boil it for 30 minutes. I'm going to put some water right there.
Super lakas. Super lakas. Super. Wow.
Of course, because
Kaya pag nakita ka ng boyfriend mo, proud na siya sa iyo kasi ito siya marunong ka magluto. Wow.
this one there. Wash the chicken first.
So ano yan? Kinamatisan o pinatisan?
Pinatisan.
Pinatisan. Because lalagyan mo ng patis.
Yes.
And
For the
kamatis.
seasoning, yes.
The only spices or pampalasa is patis.
Yes, right. Right, my dear.
So, paano mo nalaman yung dish na yan?
My mom actually teach me how to cook this one, and of course I love to watch her cooking and try my own version.
Wow.
I'm not going to copy her version, you know. Just an idea, you know. So, started. On low fire. Here you go. Just wait for 30 minutes.
Then we'll just wait to boil.
So while waiting, we're going to cut the potato.
Potato and moringa.
With a lot of
Moringa.
add here.
So you know you need to
So look, here is our ingredients. So we will cut it first. We have the moringa here. I'm going to put that one there. So
how many tomato?
we will put this all.
No, just only 2. 2 lang kasi I'm going to use the other one.
Cut this one there.
And 3 patatas. I-save mo rin yung 1 kasi baka magpakotang patatas si Julia
I'm going
later.
to wash this.
Oh. Lagyan mo na doon sa violet na platito. Oops.
We don't have big potatoes. This one is small. I don't know why.
Expensive ang potato ngayon. The bell pepper. Tuwing magpapasko yun, expect ko na mahal ang patatas, ang bell pepper, lahat. Yung pipino na dati nasa 30 plus lang ang dalawang katamtaman ng laki. Ngayon nasa 100 mahigit. Siyempre, nagbabagyo daw. Okay, edi wow.
We're practicing for.
Minsan masarap mamili sa SNR frozen yung ano mo. Hanapin mo mga mixed veggie. Lalo na pag magpapasko, yun na lang ang bilhin mo. Yung baka dinamihan mo yung sabaw ng chicken. Yun, wag maitapon para sa food na lang ng dogs. Total kumulo naman. Pero ipaglalagay mo sa sabaw yung mineral water. Right? That's it.
No, we're not done yet.
Ah,
We're not done yet.
tama na yung bawang na yan. Huwag ka nang bumawas. Tipid-tipid.
That's only two. This one is too big. We only need half. Half of it.
Dito sa lugar po namin, bago kami Well, may talipa pa naman kaya lang super mahal. Alam mo, yung triple ang price. So, malalaki naman yung onion kaya enough niya lang. And mabawang kami kaysa sa onion. That's it. Hmm?
Yan.
Dapat pag nagdudugas ka kutsilyo, wag doon sa may talim, sa likod, sa blunt area.